So, okay, dear students, last day we have studied how can we find the square root of a number using division method, long division method, also finding square root of decimal numbers also. For finding square root of a number, first we need to put the bars from right to left. Take two numbers, take a pair of numbers and put a bar on that. In that way, from right to left we will do. But in the case of decimal, for the integer part we will do from right to left, and for the integral decimal part we will put bars from left to right. Okay. And for finding the least number, that must be subtracted to get a square number. That type of questions also we have done last day. For that, first of all, we will start with our long division, and when we are getting a remainder, we have to subtract that remainder from the given number, so that we will get a square number, and that quotient will be the root of the new square number also. That also we did. And what about the homework questions? Any doubts? Lynette, Pooja, Vaishnavi, any doubt? Ritvik? No. Okay, shall we start? Continue? Okay. So write next question. Right, next question. Find the greatest four-digit number. Find the greatest four-digit number. Find the greatest four-digit number, which is a perfect square. Which is a perfect square. Which is a perfect square. Which one is the greatest four-digit number? Greatest four-digit number is 9,999. The greatest four-digit number is number is 9,999. Question is, find the greatest four-digit number, which is a perfect square. So it will be less than this 9,999. For getting that, we have to find out which number we should subtract. Okay, from 9,999 to get a perfect square number. So first of all, we will start with our long division. 9,999. First of all, put bars on digits. Find the first quotient and first divisor. First quotient is
9.
9. 9. So here also 9. 9 nines are 81. Subtracting we will get
18.
18. 18. Take 99 downwards. Write. Fill the blank. Double of 9 is 18. Fill the blank. 18. What will be there? 18 dash.
Is it 9?
9. 9. Yes, it is 9. By multiplying, we will get
1899.
1899.
1899. You will get 1899. Correct. So remainder is 0. 189 into 9 is 1899. Isn't it?
Ma'am, 1701.
Yeah, it is 1701.
1,900.
1701, then subtract.
And 180.
180.
198.
198.
198.
198.
198. Sorry.
So we have to subtract 198 from 9999. So next, to get the perfect square number, to get the greatest
Ma'am,
uh,
9,801.
9 answer is okay, correct. So to get the greatest four digit square number, what we need to find? We have to subtract
9.
198 from 9999, and it is, how much did you say?
9,801.
9801, and the square root of 9801 is
198.
square
99.
99.
99.
Is 99 is 99 is 99. So 9801 is the greatest four-digit number, square number, greatest four-digit square number, not number. Number is 9999. So greatest four-digit square number is 9801. Okay. Okay, see children, without finding a square root, can you say how many digits will be there in the square root of 84,247? Can you say how many digits will be there on its square root?
3.
3,
3
how?
digits. Ma'am, by doing
I explained.
bar.
Okay. I explained, isn't it? I want to know whether I explained or not. Okay. If first of all, you have to put the bars on the number. If there are 3 bars, there will be 3 digits on its root. If there are 2 bars, there will be 2 digits on its root. Okay. I want to know whether I have explained that to you or not. Next question, right? Find the length of the side of a square. Find the length of the side of a square. Find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meter square. Find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meter square. That is the formula for area of a square.
Side into side. Side into side.
Square equal to side into side, or x into x. If side is x, we can say it is x square. It is given that x square is 441. So x equal to
4.
x equal to, how can we find x?
Let's find the root.
Root, yes. X equal to root of x
Root of
square.
4.
Root of 441. Find its
21.
441.
21.
21.
Yes. You may know it is 21. If you don't know square of 21 is 441, you can use division method to find. Otherwise, it is since it is a familiar number, 441 is 21 square. So no need to find no need to use the division method. You can just write it is 21. If you don't know the root of 441, you can find using division method. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next question. Next question. Find the least number which must be added. Find the least number. Find the least number which must be added. Must be added. Which must be added. Find the least number which must be added to get a perfect square. Square to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of new number. Find the square root of the new square number. Of the new square number. Root of new square number. We know which number should be subtracted to get a perfect square number. How we will do? First of all, we will start with our long division method, and whatever will be the remainder, we will subtract it. Then we will get a square number. But in this case, here is a slight difference. Okay. So anyway, we will start with our long division method first. So first question is, first one is 1300. Find the least number which must be added to get a perfect square number. Question is which must be added to 1300. First one 1300 to get a perfect square. Anyway, you start with our long division. 1300 first divisor and quotient.
Six. No, not six. Six, not six.
Okay.
I'm 3.
Three.
3. Yes. 3, 3, 9, 400, 6 dash. Which was the number?
I'm 6.
6.
Six.
Correct. 6. So 6 into 66 is
396.
130.
396. By subtracting, we will get
4.
4.
we will get 4. Okay. Now all of you listen to the board. Listen to the board. Listen to the board. See, 1300 and 36. Root of 1300 is not 36 because we didn't get 0 there. If we got a remainder as 0, we can say that root of 1300 is 36. But root of 1300 is not 36. My question is, 36 square is greater than 1300 or less than 1300?
Less than.
Less than.
Then
Less than. 36 square is less than 1300. 30. Understood all of you? We started to find the square root of 1300 and we got a remainder, which means what? 36 square is less than 1300. If it is its root, we will get a remainder 0, but it is more than something, more than 4 more there. Okay, so the 36 square is less than 1300. Our question is, we need to find the next square number. So, which will be the next square number? Our
37
question is,
square.
we need to find the square number which is more than 1300. So,
Ma'am,
what will be the?
37 square.
Yes, it is 37 square. The square number less than 1300 is 36 square. So the square number more than 1300 is 37 square. So the next square number is square number is 37 square, and it is equal to what? Multiply 37 square is equal to 37 square is equal to
1329.
1300
Twenty-nine.
check it.
1369.
1369, Albert. 1300 and
Okay, ma'am.
okay, 69. So our question is, how much we should add it to 1300? How we will get that? For getting, we will subtract 1369 minus 1300. Okay. So the number to be added. Therefore, the number to be added with 1300 is 69
69.
minus, and it equal to 69. Also, we need to find the root of the new number. New number is, and its root is
37.
37.
37.
It is 37. Shall I give one more question of the same type?
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Number is 525. 525. Find the number which should be added to 525 to get a perfect square number. Okay, try all of you. First of all, 525, we will start with division method.
So what? It's staying every day.
Numbers are first digit 2.
5.
2, 2, 2 twos are 4,
125.
125,
45.
45. So what comes? 45 into 5 is? 45 is correct? No, I think 45 in, 41.
42.
45 is not correct.
42.
41 into 1, only 41 will come. So it is
42.
very less than
42.
for when
42.
okay, multi 42 we will try. 42. So it is
84.
84. What will come when we multiply by 3? It will be more?
Yes,
Yes, it will be more.
129.
Yes, it will be more. So by subtract, you will get 40,
1.
41. So next step, what we will write? 22 square is less than 525. So next square number is
23.
uh, next square number is 23 square. So 23 square equal to square is 23 square is
529.
529. 529. Therefore, the required number to be subtracted.
Mad.
Hmm?
Required number to be added.
Subtracted is
And we have to add, right?
25.
Ma'am, we have to add it,
Sorry,
right?
sorry. To be added, sorry. To be added. Added equal to 529 minus 529. 525 equal to
4.
4.
4.
4. And root of 5 new number is 23. Root of new number is 23. Can Suryadev and Ashura understood how to find steps, and you understood? Suryadev and Ken?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
ഇത്ര എളുപ്പമാണ് ചേട്ടന്മാർ
So you will have some homework questions from that type. The questions are 1750 homework questions. 1750. Second question 252. Third question 1825.
Same question.
Homework questions.
Ma'am, yesterday we had a class, right? Evening.
Yes. Who?
Ma'am, every day we have that class.
No. Once in a week.
Oh, okay, ma'am. So every Tuesday.
Every Tuesday, because those days we don't have our max class that day.
And every Tuesday, same time.
Time I will send. Every Tuesday I will send the time.
It is different time.
Sometimes, because I'm taking class from my home. I will try to be the same time. Sometimes there may be a change. I will inform you. Okay. Over. All of you copied.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Right. Next question. Next question. In a right triangle ABC, in a right triangle ABC, angle B 90 degree, angle B 90 degree, And if AB equal to 6 centimeter, and if AB equal to 6 centimeter, BC 8 centimeter, BC 8 centimeter, find AC. Find AC. Find AC. Right triangle ABC. A, B, C. B is 90 degree. AB is 6 centimeter. BC is 8 centimeter. We need to find AC. You have studied a relation connecting the sides of a right triangle. What was that relation?
Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorem. Very good. What is Pythagoras theorem says?
And the
Pythagoras.
hypotenuse.
Square of hypotenuse is equal to
Square of two.
sum of
two
squares of two sides. Sum of squares of other two sides. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Sum of squares of other two sides. That is AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Sum of squares of other two sides. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. That is AC square equal to AB is 6 plus 8
Centimeter.
square. Find how much it is. 6 square is 36.
36.
8 square is
8 square is 64.
64.
64.
36 plus 64 is
100.
100. So AC equal to root of AC square. That is root of 100 equal to
10.
10 centimeter.
10. 10.
AC equal to 10 centimeter. AC equal to 10 centimeter. Next question. In a right triangle PQR, with angle QS 90 degree, PQR, with angle Q 90 degree, and PR is 13 centimeter, PR is 13 centimeter, QR is 5 centimeter. Find PQ. Find PQ. Find PQ. Same way we can do. Write the relation hypotenuse square equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, we can write PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. PR square means it is 13 square. PQ square we need to find. QR square is 5 square. So PQ square can be 13 square minus 5 square. Find out how much it is.
12.
12. Yes, it is 144. So PQ equal to root 144 equal to 12 centimeter. Next question. Over all of you? Did you all next question. Write the question. There are 2,401 students in a school. There are 2,400 students in a school. PT teacher wants them to stand in rows and columns. PT teacher wants to stand them in rows and columns. Rows and columns. Find the number of rows. Rows and columns such that the number of columns is equal to number of rows. That is equal to number of rows. Find the number of rows. Find the number of rows. Read it and say whether you can do this. All of you read the question and how can we do this?
Ma'am, find the root of 2,401.
Yes. You just find the root of 2,401. We have done for the in prime factorization method we did, because when plants are we are planting the trees, lines and rows, columns and rows, such questions with same type. Instead of plants, here students are made to stand in rows and columns such that their number of columns equal to number of rows. So you should find its root. One more question. So you do it as homework. Next question. A gardener has 1,000 plants. A gardener has 1,000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that plant in such a way that number of columns and rows are same. Number of the number of rows and columns are same. Find the minimum number of plants needed more for this. A gardener has some plants, not some 1,000 plants. He wants to plant it in rows and columns such that number of rows is equal to number of columns. That much okay. Our question is, how many more plants he needed to do this? Why he needs some more plants?
Because 1,000 is not a
Because 1,000 is not a perfect square number. 1,000 is not a perfect square number. So he should add some more plants to get a perfect square number. The same type, actually this question is what? What must be added to 1,000 to get a perfect square number? Understood all of you that question? To do.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this also homework. One more question. Again, PT teachers. One more question. There are 500 children in a school. There are 500 children in a school. A teacher wants to arrange them in rows and arrange them in equal number of rows and columns. In equal number of rows and columns. Find, how many children would be left out? How many children would be left out in this arrangement? Would be left out in this arrangement. There are 500 children. Teacher is arranging them in rows and columns. So some students will be left out. Why some students being left out? Because 500 is not a square.
Perfect square.
So actually, what is this question? This question is which number or which number must be subtracted to get a perfect square number.
Perfect square number.
Should be subtracted from 500 to get a perfect square number. That remainder will be the number of students left out from this arrangement. Understood all of you? So do these 3 questions along with some questions I have already given. Okay? Understood all of you this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
by this our chapter, this is the end of squares and square roots. It's over. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, and Benedict, where is Benedict? Where is Benedict? Are you there, Benedict?
Not there.
Not there, he went. Yesterday, Benedict absent. Then, Advait, I call you. Okay, then Advait, Benedict, and one more. Who's that? Okay, is it? One second.